Okay, so I was wondering whether or not this tank was refilling, and then I noticed that when I actually activated one of these selector buttons, you know, to brew a cup of espresso, I could actually see that the motor was indeed moving. So I know it's kind of hard to... Oh, there it goes. So I can see that it's filling as it's emptying, so I don't know. But as soon as I shut the selector switch off, the pump stops turning, or the motor stops turning. That's really, I guess, all I can show you guys about this espresso machine. The bones are there, you know. I mean, it's working, but it obviously needs some attention. So this is definitely a recommendation for someone who, you know, wants to get a first-time machine and then give it to somebody to have them go through it, or somebody that already is experienced in cleaning and doing their own work on an espresso machine such as this. So that would be my recommendation. That's about it. Thanks for looking, and arrivederci.